Hi guys, and welcome back to the craft table. If you are new here, I want to welcome you, and I really thank you for clicking on this video, and I hope you enjoy. Today we're going to be doing a little tutorial that I saw. It's by ABC Decorating Paradise, and she did such a cute thing with Dollar Tree spoons. And as soon as I watch the video, I'm going, I want to do that. I want to play. It is so much fun. I will leave a link in my description. You can watch it the right way because you know me. I have to bend, fold, and mutilate every tutorial. I'm always going, I wonder what would happen if, and sometimes it's good, sometimes it's, well, let's just say you could learn it the right way, or you could learn what not to do. Okay? Alright. So, really simple stuff, a lot of stuff you have laying around, and the rest of it came from the Dollar Tree. So, shall we get to work? And there you have them. Aren't they cute? So I want to give a big thank you to ABC Decorating Paradise. This is where I watched her tutorial and got the inspiration. and I loved it. I had so much fun. Make sure I will leave her link down in my description, and stop by, check her out. I'm sure you'll find something that you will just love. She made jewelry out of hers. She had a bracelet. I mean, aren't the big rings in style now? I don't know. I don't. I'm going to be using mine basically for embellishments. I mean, as a jar lid, I think that would look great. On the side of a jar, yeah. I mean, there's so many things. Cards, too many to list, and my brain stops working when it gets overwhelmed. So I want to thank you for taking the time out of your day to spend with me, and I hope I was able to spark at least a tiny bit of inspiration to get your imagination going. And one thing I really want you to remember is, don't be afraid to try. If you don't have a certain thing, try another. Use your imagination. Use what you've got. Doesn't have to be expensive. Doesn't have to be brand new. Just try. It never hurts. And I hope you have a wonderful week. And I promise I will see you soon. Bye-bye now.